Is the market rigged? Pretty much. Just wanted to make a quick video pre-market. The New York Stock Exchange has not even opened, but the overnight futures and the market has some fuckery in it that I would like to show, and it's something that I'm not sure if I will get banned from YouTube for using the word manipulation in the markets from the big boys, but just wanted to show you something just really obvious. Yesterday we had Jerome Powell speaking at the FOMC meeting. SPY, or the S&P, was around 682. It flew up end of the day to 688, so almost a 7 point rise after the Fed announcement and his question and answer session. In the overnight futures, before midnight, it lost all of its gains and then some, touched 680 and bounced, and it started holding support right around 681. This is the type of fuckery that I talk about when I speak of manipulation. In a few hours, for price to jump up 8 points, drop 10 points, and then rise another 5 or 6 points before the market has even opened. The New York Stock Exchange does not even open for another 11 minutes. But there's overnight trading, and we take advantage of this. We see the manipulation by the big boys. So I just wanted to show that really quick. There's that. And last night, we can see entries and exits here on this account. I was playing the support and resistance of this range, and then took a final long, expecting and, well, an educated guess that price would return back into the range that it came from yesterday's big run up. I took 2 contracts around this level, 68.34 on the futures, on the ES futures, and I closed one contract at 6857 and the second contract 6861. I'm copy trading on these accounts. These are eval accounts on this, and $3,400 to pass this evaluation. The profit target is 106,000 on this account. Target reached. On my funded account from Top Step, I took the same entries right around the support level and set my profit target. I didn't set it up here. I instead set my profit target right around this level, which would have been the first level of resistance. So I took my profit target here. And as you can see, this account earned $700. I'm copy trading on this funded account. This one has 2 accounts on it, so that's a 4-figure trade, $1,400. Overnight session, the New York market has not even opened up, and we've already locked in a 4-figure gain on one trade, because we learn how to follow the big boys and how to start to think like them and ride their coattails when they do their fuckery.